In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gcash to buy games on Steam. This process is pretty straightforward and adds another convenient payment method to your Steam account. Whether you're new to Gcash or a seasoned user, this guide will walk you through the steps seamlessly. First things first, open your Steam app on your computer. Once it's up and running, you'll see the option to log in at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that. If you have an account, you'll know you'll need your account name and password next. Enter those in the designated fields to proceed. Make sure your login credentials are correct to avoid any login issues, especially if you've changed your password recently. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your Steam homepage. From here, navigate to your profile by clicking on your username, which should be visible at the top right corner of the screen. Once in your profile, you'll see a menu. Click on Account Details. This is where you can manage your account settings and funds. Next, look for the option to add funds to your Steam wallet. You'll see a button labeled Plus Add Funds to your Steam wallet. Click on it. You'll then be presented with various methods to add funds. For our purpose, click on Add Funds to see the available payment options. Among the options displayed, select Gcash as your payment method. It's usually found alongside other common methods like credit cards and PayPal. Once Gcash is selected, proceed by clicking the Continue button to move on to the payment stage. Before finalizing, you'll need to check the I agree checkbox. This confirms that you accept the terms and conditions associated with adding funds via Gcash. After that, click on Continue to Smart to Pay, which is the platform that processes the Gcash transaction. At this point, you'll be directed to a page displaying a QR code. This is an essential part of the process. You'll need your mobile phone with the Gcash app installed. Open the app on your phone to use the QR scanning feature to capture the code displayed on your computer screen. Once the QR code is scanned with your Gcash app, follow the prompts on your mobile device to complete the transaction. Ensure your Gcash account has sufficient funds to avoid any transaction failures, and watch out for any additional service fees that might apply. And that's all there is to it. You have successfully added funds to your Steam wallet using Gcash. Now you're all set to purchase those games you've had your eye on. Enjoy your gaming experience and happy shopping on Steam.